Hey guys, welcome back to Uwanimbie at Home. If you're new, my name is Lillian. If you're a home decor lover, you probably already know about Homegoods. And if you don't know about Homegoods, well sis, it's a good thing that you're here because we're going to be talking about everything Homegoods. Homegoods is a store that basically carry high-end items at a fraction of the price. So you're basically saving a lot of money when you shop at Homegoods. Now, it's not everything that you get from Homegoods. So today I'm going to be telling you how to shop for Homegoods and then tell you what items you can get for Homegoods. But that topic is going to be for next week, so stay tuned. But before we get into the video, if you're looking for a channel that is going to ensure that your true self is being reflected in your decor and lifestyle, then this channel is for you. Now let's get into the video. One thing before you even go to Homegoods is to basically know your decor style so that you can honestly look for the items that you're going there for and not just be scattered everywhere when you do go there. So know your home decor style. Then number two is to make sure that you go to Homegoods early in the morning. I just got here. It's 10:05. The Homegoods over here opens at 10 a.m. So I'm here early because you know I gotta get the good stuff. You have to come here early. In the morning is usually that time that they have all the items that they put out. So with Homegoods, it's not like a store that has like everything in stock. So whatever that's on the floor is what you're gonna get. So you wanna make sure that you're there early. So the Homegoods close to my area opens up at 10 a.m. due to the COVID. They used to open at 9 a.m. but because due to the pandemic, they started opening at 10 a.m. So I'm usually there at 10 a.m. As you can see, I'm in the car, I was waiting, and here I am. I'm being safe. Make sure you have your mask if you're still shopping and hand sanitizer and just stay safe out there. And then you want to make sure that you do go to Homegoods. I would say weekends, if that's the time that you have, then go on the weekdays. But I honestly think that they have more stuff on the weekends. Well, because they know that a lot of people are going to be really coming out to shop and they want to have enough items for people. So you want to go on the weekends. I prefer to go on Saturday mornings. Sometimes I wake up. I make breakfast with my kids and I run to Homegoods. So yeah, go early and go on the weekends. But the weekdays is also fine if you don't have time on the weekends. Number three with Homegoods, location is all that matters. I try to look for like a great location, like a higher end area, because they're probably gonna have like more of the good quality stuff. That's like my reasoning behind it. And I go and then I usually shop. So sometimes you might have to do like a 30 or 40 minutes drive to go to that Homegoods that will give you the item. It's okay, it's fine. It's fine, it's gonna be okay. But the good thing is that you're gonna get good quality stuff, and then those people in that area, sometimes I feel like they don't even go to Homegoods as much, so you're gonna find really great stuff. Another tip that just came to my mind is that you want to go to multiple Homegoods. So if I was to go to the Homegoods close to me, if I wasn't really finding anything that I'm looking for, then I will go to the nearest Homegoods or whatever Homegoods. Like I usually go to like multiple locations. Go to the multiple locations because you're gonna find different items. They have a lot of selection of rugs on this side compared to my other Homegoods. Remember I told you Homegoods does not really have a lot of quantity in a particular item. Nice selection of rugs today. Look at this one. This is the thing about Homegoods. When you need something, you can't get it. So you want to make sure that you go to the nearest Homegoods or wherever Homegoods you want to go to find the other items that you're looking for. So number four is have your phone with you. You cannot shop at Homegoods without your phone because you need to like Google some of the items you're getting. If you're gonna see that item online for a cheaper price, why buy it there? Then wait. And most of the time I take my phone with me because Google is my best friend, and I look up the name of the items that I'm getting, and then I see the price. So one of the tips that I do is I take a picture of it. I use the Google search to look at the picture of the item that I'm looking at, and then I have Google bring out a list of most of these items. So usually what I do, I will look up the name of the item that I'm buying, and then I can compare the price to see. Most of the time, HomeGoods has a better price, so I get it. And then another tip is that when I see an item that I have and it doesn't have a name, I usually take a picture on my phone and then use Google Image to search that item. Then Google Image shows me similar items and the prices, and then obviously most of the time HomeGoods keeps winning with the price, so I buy them. So those are great ways to like even shop smart. And then another thing is that you want to look for items that are of good quality. How do you find good quality items? I realized that like items from like India, and it sounds crazy, like items from India, things in a box. I remember one time I was trying to get like a bottle, like a, what do you call, like a wine bottle, and that bottle, when I looked at it at a Z Gallery, that bottle was like $99, and I opened this box was like $12.99. It was like the same exact thing. So I started looking for items in boxes, and that's how you're gonna get, and then you obviously look up the name. But honestly, look for those items that are not open, because chances are they're actually good quality. And then I look for things like imported things for like Turkey, India, things like that. I look for those. Most of the time, if they're handcrafted, you probably won't see them online, but you can see that this item is great quality. Another tip that just came to my mind is that when you do see something at HomeGoods, just get it. If you're thinking that, okay, I might need this stuff, then don't second guess yourself. Buy it. Just leave the tag on the stuff. When you do go home and you really think about it and you realize that you don't need that item, then go back and return it. Because I've done it so much that I remember one time I was trying to get, what did I buy that day that I regretted? Like, oh yeah, one time I was trying to get this throw pillow. This throw pillow was so cute, and then I left that item. I regretted it because I went back to actually get it and it was gone. And that was actually $100 throw pillow that was on sale for $24.99. Like, I was so mad. It wasn't on sale, it was just HomeGoods price, I mean. So you want to make sure that you get the items that once you see it, don't second guess it. Even there's another table. I keep remembering things that I left behind. There's a little desk that I found that could have gone in like my daughter's room. It was actually supposed to be $100, but it was on sale for like $69. I'm like, that's a really good price. And then online it was like $200 and something. And then I was like, oh no, I don't want to buy it. I'm buying out of impulse. I don't want to buy this stuff. And then I actually needed it, and I went home. I'm like, dang, I should have gotten that stuff. So it's like one of those things that just get it. I know it's a hassle to return stuff, but honestly it's worth it because you don't want to regret it, especially if you need the items. Another thing, there's so many tips. Another tip is to make sure that you're not going crazy buying things, because you can easily get carried away at HomeGoods. Honestly, make sure that you write a list of what you want, because you can easily get carried away when shopping at HomeGoods. I'm not even gonna lie. Sometimes you buy things that you don't want. Sometimes you buy things based on the fact that it looks so good, it looks so high end, and you're like, ah, this is good, I love it, let me get it. And so I remember I had a vase that has been sitting in my house. I'm like, I'm not even using this vase. What am I doing? So I went ahead and I returned that vase. And I'm just like, and that was how much was that vase? I think it was like $49.99. It was just sitting in the house for like a month and I never used it. I'm like, yeah, return this stuff. You don't need it. You just bought it because you think it looks so good. So because HomeGoods, like, especially on the weekends, they carry so many beautiful things. You're like, oh, I need this, I need that, but you don't really need it. Just get what you want. That's the trick on shopping for HomeGoods. I think I've covered everything, like every steps that I take. Honestly, most of this step is useful for any other stores that you're shopping in. So you want to go there on time, go there early, and then obviously if they have things in larger quantity, then you don't have to worry about going there early because you're still gonna find the same thing. But those are the ways I find I find little things at Homegoods. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Next week I'll be telling you the items that you need to get and the items that you need to like not even bother to get at Homegoods. Like you can get it in different stores, you know. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Have a good day. Love you guys. Bye.